Do you want to play a lot of video games but do not want to spend a lot of money? Well, this might be the perfect gaming laptop for you. Hey everyone, this is Dhruman from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview of the Acer Nitro 5 with Intel i5 configuration. Let's start by talking about the design of this product. The laptop follows an aggressive design language and looks its part for being a gaming laptop. The color scheme is a combination of black and red which stands out. Acer provides a wide array of connectivity options on the Nitro 5. We get an HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, two USB Type-A ports, an Ethernet port and a 3.5mm headphone jack as well. You get a full-size backlit keyboard on the laptop. The keys are robust and you can depend on it for your gaming sessions. The trackpad has a quick response time and multi-touch gesture support. Now, where do you look at your video games when you're playing them? Of course, the screen. So let's cover that. You get a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display on this gaming laptop which has a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The screen to body ratio on the laptop is 80% with narrow bezels, making sure you have a rich experience while playing your favorite games. The audio setup on the laptop is enabled with DTS-X ultrasound, which promises to deliver clear sound and create a 3D spatial soundscape. Let's move on and talk about the processor and GPU of this laptop. The laptop is powered with Intel Core i5 11th generation chipset, which is combined with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU. Supporting the system is 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 256GB of SSD storage. Since this is a gaming machine, Acer has configured a cooling system dubbed Cool Boost in the Nitro 5 that features two cooling fans. So not only does this laptop run applications quickly, but you can also move around your content very fast. It's time to talk about the software. Nitro 5 runs on Windows 10 Pro, which works really well. There's a NitroSense key on the laptop with which you can monitor the thermals as well on board working on the laptop. Now when you're gaming, of course you would like to stream as well. For that, Acer provides a 720p HD camera on the laptop. As for battery life, you can expect 8 hours of battery backup on the Acer Nitro 5. So guys, that was a quick overview of the Acer Nitro 5 with Intel i5 configuration. I hope you found this video helpful.